guys, as we move ahead, it's time to change gears, it's time to switch lanes. Let's move from the west to the east, where we had one more amazing event in the land of Taiwan, which is Computex Taipei. So one of the biggest computer expos globally finally made its return after a long gap of 4 years. अब देखो इंतजार इतना लंबा किया था तो excitement of course बहुत ज़्यादा था and we saw some crazy good stuff at this year's Computex. Guys जल्दी से आगे बढ़ते हैं और देखते हैं कि आखिर क्या-क्या हमको नया मिला this time because computers की दुनिया बहुत ज़्यादा ही exciting होती है.
Computex's comeback highlighted some unique and extraordinary forms of tech that were a treat to check out. Starting with the crowd favorite, Asus's ROG Ally, जिसको काफ़ी लोगों ने Steam Deck Crusher भी कहा है. It is a portable gaming console that was announced a few months ago and has made a big splash because it runs PC hardware and Windows 11. इसका मतलब है कि आप इस पर सारे PC games भी खेल सकते हैं. Up close and in person, it is pretty sturdy and well built. The screen is crisp and vibrant. इसका बैक काफ़ी गर्म हो जाता है लेकिन आपके हाथ ग्रिप्स पे होंगे तो ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ना चाहिए. Battery life is said to be just a few hours, but we'll wait till it's released to the public to judge that. Based on the AMD Ryzen Z1 SoC with integrated Radeon graphics, हम दूसरे ब्रांड से भी ऐसे डिवाइसेस के जल्दी आने की उम्मीद रख सकते हैं. Another fun product found at the event was the Orb X. ये एक एग शेप्ड कोकून है आपकी गेमिंग और प्रोडक्टिविटी नीड्स के लिए. नॉट ओनली इज इट अ फन वे टू इमर्स योर सेल्फ इन गेम्स बट कैन ऑल्सो बी यूजफुल टू ट्यून आउट डिस्ट्रैक्शंस व्हेन गेटिंग वर्क डन. इसमें एक बहुत ही कंफर्टेबल रिक्लाइनर चेयर है विच इज फुली एडजस्टेबल एंड यू कैन माउंट वन अल्ट्रा वाइड डिस्प्ले और अप टू 327 इंच पैनल्स साइड बाय साइड. बिल्ट इन स्पीकर्स हैं जो आपको सराउंड साउंड एक्सपीरियंस देते हैं एंड ऑफ कोर्स गेमिंग एक्सेसरी है तो RGB लाइटिंग तो होगी ही. It probably won't blend in with your living room furniture, but we can see these popping up in swanky offices and spaces like airports. Some companies went beyond just physical tech and into the software development. Nvidia, for example, went all in on AI and machine learning. We saw CEO Jensen Huang unveil the new Grace Hopper, GS200, a building block for AI supercomputers. 256 of these units can be combined, but they will still act as one giant GPU. According to Wang, we're on the cusp of cross-content generative AI, which can turn simple prompts into all kinds of media. This includes video with realistic lip movement. The NVIDIA Avatar Cloud Engine will bring this capability to video games, allowing scenes to be generated on the fly, thus making each playthrough unique.
Oh my god, I mean so many new gadgets, so much of new gizmo at this year's Computex, and I am so excited to use all of them.